Hi, this is Roxanne Banks with the Banks Account. Welcome to my TV show. Anyway, I just wanted to reach out to all of you. I've been getting questions left and right about how do I interview. I've been out of work for a long time and I don't know what to do. Well, first of all, I want to let you know that you're not alone. Do you realize over 9 million people are out of work right now? 9 million. So you're definitely not alone. And 22% of those people have done a really bad job of trying to find a job. And so that's why I'm excited about being able to help you. And I also found out that 40% of our population that is working right now is unhappy with their job. So they're trying to figure out, how do I interview? How do I get a great resume? Because I want to get out of here. I hate my boss. And so what I want to be able to do is share with you the right interviewing techniques, how to write a resume, and make sure that you land the job of your dreams. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you network. The important thing is finding people who are already in companies that you want to work for. Because do you realize actually now it's the number just went up, but 74% of the jobs that are available are not even posted. So for those of you that are going online and putting your information in and registering for a job or applying for a job, do you realize 2 to 4% of the people actually get a job from that? It really comes from who you know. So write a list of people that you know who are in companies that you want to work for, and those are the people that are going to help you get a job. So that's the first tip of the day. There's actually 2 more tips. It's a total of 3, but I'm not going to give them all to you now. You've got to come back to my show next week and hear the final 2 statistics on how to get a job. So I just want to thank you for listening to me today. I'm excited to be a part of your world, your virtual world, and help you get a job, because I want to see everyone employed, because I want everyone to fulfill their dreams. So this is Roxanne Banks signing off. Until next time, you can take it to the bank. So be encouraged.